I love you, but you don't know who I am. I got on my feet, well, looking at you. You, I love you.
Who are going up on this one? So the video is going to be on internet sensation Rose and Twinman, and Twinman is the one who imitates Rose in read on TikTok, and him went viral, and then him start make a look at income. From him income, him start to share it with Rose, as in, you know, him took her to supermarket shopping, back to school, and then him asked people to contribute. I don't know what went left, but all of a sudden Rose says she boss him and mix up and blah blah. See, plus Rose ungrateful. I'm going to show you a snippet of how it all began and Twinman finished with her.
Only1Empo. People, I love you. Love Unu. Can't tell me if I get my money. Anyway, if you come, you have to come. You up me fan them. Me liar from them. I love people come from my man not about they not send no money.
Rose, they put money in that people in pocket. Rose.
Got me too. How about good news?
Don't chat now. Yes, Rose, I am in that.
People, I can't tell my man get Timman. I love Timman, but not people enough to Timman like him with me and me, both star. And not son, I love him, and me not saying a parrot to me come back and food. So before me go back and food, I want to say give up me fan them about. So give up on the jam itself, you know. Tell you to tell me that, you know. Give up on the jam itself, you know. Dear man, me not like what you do. Me not like what you do. That's how I go. I'm a big body. So you need to fire that to me now. We are ungrateful with me for. Me never ungrateful to you. And you make me feel a way. I need to tap that. You need to tap it. The thing, man, I love you, I know, but me not like what you do. Thing, man, me not like what you do. You let me down in my family, them. And I mean, make a bus? No, man, come on. Come on. Come on, Simon. Looking at yourself at who bought you and only send the people tell us say. Alright, let me down. You know, I'm not right to let me down. Oh, in Peter tell me, I'm in boss me and I'm me boss him. Oh, that coming. Oh, that coming. Me not understand, no. Me not understand, no. Me not understand, oh no. So you try to explain to me and make me understand now. We turn on the bottom one here, people now, we say no. People are doing one of pussy. But people now will say that. We go see that on the moon. Listen, me say, let's come up and come and bring that so taste that video and put up people. Wrong and right. And wrong, let the people start knowing from.
So those were the snippet of what Rose had to say. This is what Twinman had written on his Instagram. I am no longer affiliated with Rose, her kids, or anyone that is close to her for that matter. From here on out, I will no longer be doing any more of her imitation or videos, as I am severing all ties. For persons who still wish to contribute, please reach out to her page directly. Look out for more content coming soon, more love and music for my fans and the girls them. Respect, Twinman. So I'm going to put a snippet of what him do on him live because it's really long, but I just want you to hear him same part as well.
Easy. Yeah. Breathe.
Yeah, man, we're done with that, man. We're going live, you know, so. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we're done with him, man. Done with him. Done with him completely, man. We're done with him. Yeah, man. Respect these shoutouts then. Yeah. Alright. Bring I get me number fast though. I say well I supervisor them I get no sir. Good afternoon peoples, how are you guys doing? Alright, we're not gonna add nobody in here, isn't it? Yeah, we're not gonna add nobody, no disrespect, we just not nobody. We just have to put out this in our ear right now. Rose good, you know. Rose good, isn't it? We just have to focus on we. Isn't it? We have to focus on we. We have to focus on we. Isn't it? And people on Rose are things. Isn't it? Yeah, strongest soldier them always get a fight there, the fight there. I tell us saying easy and world still. I know them way there. But all we have to do is just keep a smile on our face and them thing there. You know, stay answer. Yeah, you get what I'm saying? Yes. Focusing on our career path, the talents. Guys, we're going to do our singing. We're going to keep on singing, sending out videos and them thing there. So just tune into it thing and keep on giving us strength because we love you too. You know them way there? Tell me, I tell you. Doing it good man, you know, for yourself dog, you good brother. You know them way there? Yeah. But yeah man, the music thing, we get some help, you see me? One big up all who they give you strength. All the people who are on the live we give you strength. One big up World Dog, one big up Love, one big up Pentel 7 Boss, Child on the Music, big up them himself. See me? One big up
Yo Child Boss, from board of the walls, uplift, from Nada to Benz and Prada.
man, big up all of the people who give you strength, doesn't me? Yeah man, big up Father God see me. You don't know I'm a driver. Yeah man, I'm a driver. I think big up Father God see me. I'm the driver. You understand? Tell me and tell you. I tell you, them girls there. Just do it, you know. Do it, we are do it. Do it, we are do it. Do it, we are do it. Do it, we are do it, my people. I love we say, you know, we eat to go. We eat to go. Love we say, love we say. Oh, the me there. Respect people, respect for your love. I don't care share life because I would say, isn't it? Yeah, we have to talk about these things. Yeah, you know there? Yeah. I'm not going to say anything pertaining to Rose, guys. So if we're not going to come with a question about Rose, I ain't going to say anything about Rose. Anything pertaining to Rose. You get what I'm saying? I just want to talk about our career path, isn't it? Yeah, music thing people want to know. Share the live and want to know follow us on Instagram. See one thing. Yeah, music great. So if you want to question music more here about la 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 music. Yes, you go me that. So me stay. Tell me thank you can prank you. World Dog big up your damn himself. Lava Sound big up your damn himself. Can't tell 7 Boss big up them himself. People in my village big up on themself. All who me know big up on them himself and all who me don't know big up on them himself. all who me go meet down the line, big up on the damn himself. But haters, we don't rate to know. No can go down to the pit of hell and stay there with Satan, cause I ain't coming. Just get a call, man. Just get a call, that's why. Anywhere we go, we'll be listening to them right now. Show them so we're talented. Anywhere we go, we are idiot. Anywhere we go, we are idiot. Some people are pre that. Some people are pre that. Anywhere we go, we are idiot. Anywhere we go, we are idiot. Anywhere we go, we are idiot. All who pre that.